everyone, my name is Palki Jain from Vidyanan Online, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then consider it right away.
So let us see what is the chemical name of plaster of Paris. So plaster of Paris is actually calcium sulfate hemihydrate. So what is hemi? Hemi means half. Okay. So calcium sulfate is CaSO4 dot half H2O. Okay. Now it is commonly known as POP, plaster of Paris. Second, we are going to understand how it is prepared. Then we are going to understand what are the properties of plaster of Paris, and lastly we are going to understand what are the uses of plaster of Paris. Now the question arises that why do we say it's Paris? So actually the answer is it is obtained from gypsum, and this gypsum is mainly found in Paris, and that is why the name comes out to be plaster of Paris. Now this plaster of Paris was initially used in a massive way in construction industry, but now we have so many uses of plaster of Paris which we are going to understand just now. So let's start with it. Now this is one of the most important part of this topic. Okay, so how we are going to prepare plaster of Paris? So plaster of Paris कहाँ से बनता है? It is prepared from gypsum. Okay, now the formula of gypsum is CaSO4 dot 2H2O. ठीक है, अभी किस चीज का डिफरेंस है इन प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस और एंड इन जिप्सम? इट्स जस्ट दैट इसमें है 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन और इसमें है हाफ अ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. सो अगर हम इसको हीट करें और हीट करके इसका 1.5 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन लॉस हो जाए, सो वील गेट द पीओपी, राइट? तो ऐसे ही होता है, वील हीट इट एट अ टेम्परेचर नॉट अबव 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो इट हैज टू बी कंट्रोल्ड हीटिंग. आप ज्यादा हीट नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है? तो अभी आपने 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे इसको हीट करा, तो अब क्या हुआ? सो व्हाट विल यू गेट? यू विल गेट CaSO4 डॉट हाफ H2O along with 1.5 molecules of water of crystallization which is lost here. Okay, and this comes out to be POP. ठीक है? Now one thing you need to understand here, ये हाफ अ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन एक्चुअली में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है. ओके, तो थोड़ा सा मैथ्स देखते हैं. ये पूरा है 1 फॉर्मूला यूनिट ऑफ पीओपी. तो अगर 1 फॉर्मूला यूनिट ऑफ प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस विच इज CaSO4 डॉट हाफ H2O, ठीक है, तो अगर 1 फॉर्मूला यूनिट ऑफ पीओपी में हाफ अ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर है, तो 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स में कितने होंगे? इट वुड बी CaSO4 डॉट H2O, राइट? तो क्या होगा, बेसिकली हम इस रिएक्शन को कैसे और लिख सकते हैं? हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि ट्वाइस ऑफ CaSO4 डॉट 2H2O, इसको अगर हम हीट करें तो 2 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ CaSO4 मिलेगा along with 1 molecule of water of crystallization. So basically जब यहाँ पे CaSO4 का 1 molecule था और हाफ H2O था, तो अगर 2 CaSO4 होगा तो कितना H2O होगा? It would be 1, right? Simple mathematics. And then you can write 3 H2O here. ठीक है? तो बेसिकली इस तरीके से क्या होता है, रिप्रेजेंटेशन इजी हो जाती है. तो पीओपी का फॉर्मूला आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं CaSO4 और हाफ H2O, और 2 CaSO4 और H2O ये भी सही है. ये मैंने आपको इसलिए बताया है कि एग्जाम में सपोज आपको क्वेश्चन आता है जिसमें पीओपी का फॉर्मूला इस तरीके से डिनोटेड है, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज कि यहाँ पे हाफ तो है ही नहीं. ठीक है, हाफ इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ CaSO4 है, तो जब ये कंबाइन करेंगे तो हाफ प्लस हाफ करके ये 1 हो जाएगा, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज 1 molecule of water of crystallization. Okay, इसलिए ये चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है, this and this. अब एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि सपोज हम इस टेम्परेचर को गलती से बढ़ा देते हैं. ठीक है, हमारा टेम्परेचर सपोज 150 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो गया गलती से, तो क्या होगा? तो बेसिकली उसमें क्या होगा कि सारे वाटर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स उसमें डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएंगे और आपको क्या मिलेगा? सिर्फ CaSO4. ठीक है, और इसे क्या हम कहेंगे? डेड बर्न्ड plaster. ठीक है, इसका होगा CaSO4 will be dead burnt plaster. और इसकी प्रॉपर्टी POP जैसी नहीं होगी. अगर आप इसमें वाटर डालेंगे तो ये POP की तरह सेटल नहीं होगा. That is why you have to be very cautious that the temperature has to be 100 degrees Celsius only, not more than that. Now let us see what are the properties of plaster of Paris. So the first property is that it is a white powder. So if you see plaster of Paris, it is actually white in color. Next, it has remarkable property of setting into hard mass on wetting. So when calcium sulfate hemihydrate, which is plaster of Paris, comes in contact with water, so what happens is it again recrystallizes in order to form gypsum, CaSO4.2H2O. Okay, that is why it is always advised that you need to keep plaster of Paris in moisture proof containers so that it doesn't comes into contact with water, because as soon as it will come in contact with water, it will undergo hydration and will form gypsum again. And one thing more, once it forms gypsum again, it undergoes slight expansion in volume. So its volume gets increased slightly, and that is why it is used in order to make statues and toys. Next, what are the uses of plaster of Paris? So the first use is it is used for setting fractured bones. So actually it is used in hospitals for setting fractured bones in the right position to ensure correct healing. So कभी हमने देखा होगा कि फ्रैक्चर होता है, so white color का हम प्लास्टर लगाते हैं, right? That plaster is actually plaster of Paris. अभी इसमें क्या होता है कि proper amount of water is mixed with POP in order to ensure कि आपका एक correct plaster बने, and that plaster is applied around the fractured limbs. Also it is used in order to make cast in dentistry. So dentist भी इसे use करते हैं in order to make cast of your teeth. Next, it is used for making toys, statues and decorative material. So I told you before that when plaster of Paris comes in contact with water, so it undergoes hydration and forms gypsum, and this gypsum is then used in order to make toys, statues and other decorative material. Now next, it is very important and very interesting. The third is it is used as a fireproof material. So if by chance the plaster of Paris catches fire, it won't burn. Okay, so this is why, this is because plaster of Paris actually consists of water of crystallization, right? So although it will appear dry, but when you heat it, when you heat this POP, you will see that you will have vapors of water. This is because it is actually made of half a molecule of water of crystallization. Okay, now what happens is when this plaster is exposed to flame, so the water vapor is released, and that is why even if it has caught fire, it could slow down the process of burning depending upon how thick the plaster is. So this is the reason why we actually use plaster of Paris as a fireproof material. Last, it is used for making surface of walls smooth. So this is something we people all know, right? So the walls of our home, or we can say the ceilings of our home, is actually smoothened with the help of plaster of Paris. Now this plaster of Paris is also used in order to make designings on our ceilings. So that was all about plaster of Paris. I hope you must have enjoyed the session. We have actually completed the whole chapter acid, bases and salts. So congratulations. Now we are going to meet in the next chapter, in which we are going to study about metals and non-metals. Till then, bye-bye and take care of yourself.